Those 8 tips help me to be a best version of myself, and I wanted to share those with you so you can really be a better version of yourself as well. Hi, my name is Alex Renaud from Alex Renaud Energy, and in today's video I wanted to share with you 8 ways to be happy and satisfied. It's 8 ways that I've been using in my life to keep me in a good state of being. And yeah, I think that's really important to do those, so I wanted to share with you guys. One of my tips is to be grateful in life. Every morning I'm living with gratitude. So when I wake up, I'm thinking about, usually I'm thinking about 10 things that I'm grateful for. For example, it could be waking up in a comfy bed, having nice weather. There's plenty of things to be grateful for, it's really important to do that. Another tip is to drink lots of water. You want to make sure that you always have enough water in your system, because if you don't, you will feel dropping your energy dropping. So it's really important to drink lots of water. Another tip is to exercise and to do a type of exercise that you enjoy to do. So there's plenty of exercises that you can do, such as bicycle, you can do yoga, you can do cardio, you can do hiking. But the most important is really to move your body. That's something that's really important to do so. Another tip that's really important is to eat well. And to find balance. So you can eat once in a while things that are considered not too good, such as not healthy fat and fries and this kind of things. But you need to find balance on eating things that makes you feel energized. Suggest things such as fruit and vegetables and eggs, and always depends on your diets. But the most important is really to find what works for you. So really taking the time to find the food that makes you feel good and to stick with those. And like I said, like if you want to treat yourself once in a while with not too healthy foods, such as cakes and ice cream and this kind of things, that's good also. But the most important is just to find the right balance that's for you. Yeah, that's really important to do so. Another tip that I wanted to share with you today is just give me 1 second here. I wrote down some tips that I wanted to make sure that I don't forget to share with you, because those are really important. And so another tip is to be organized. Yeah, being organized is really important, because if you go into your day and you don't really know what you're gonna do, you're gonna feel confused, and that really is gonna mess with your energy. So if you're taking time in the morning to create what you want to do and what you want to accomplish in the day, that's gonna help you to really being more interact with what you want to accomplish, and that's gonna keep your head in a more sane space. Because if you don't do so, then you're just gonna kind of like going around in circle, and that can be confusing for your health. So something that's really important to do. Let me see if I missed. Meditate. Meditating is really important in the morning, especially because if you haven't done any meditation yet, that's something that I highly suggest you to go into, because it's by doing that you're quieting the mind, and that allows you to really understand the fact that we are a being in the physical world, and so we are energy in life. So that's another big topic that I could elaborate a lot about. But for now, keep it short. And so doing meditation will just help you to find clarity, so you can, with the clarity, organize your day. So what I love to do usually is um, either before bed or after my meditation to organize my day and what I want to accomplish during the day. And my last tip for you is to listen to good music. Yeah, as I am a musician, that's something that I love to do to keep myself sane and healthy. So there's different types of music that can make you feel good, and some people that doesn't necessarily enjoy listening to music, which I don't understand why, but I'm pretty sure that you do. So just find the style of music that you enjoy to listen, and that will uplift your energy and makes yourself feel more healthy. So that's it, guys. So those are my 8 tips to keep yourself healthy and happy. So hope you enjoyed that. If you get any value, make sure to give a thumb up and look at the description below. I have a book about self-confidence, so I elaborate more on ways to be even more happy, healthy, and in balance in every aspect of your life. And yeah, so many more things down below that I can offer for you guys. So make sure to have a look, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Until then, take care.